I really don't want to do this video, but hello everybody, my name is Eagle, and welcome to Will You Press the Button? If you've never heard about this game, basically what it is you have two options, and if you like the outcome, you push yes. If you don't, you push no. This is a good example. When you push this button, you cure a disease of your own choice, cancer, AIDS, etc., but you die. Now, this video isn't just gonna be a regular video where I press yes or no. I got some hot sauce here, and if anyone knows me, they know I hate hot sauce. So what I'm gonna do is every time I get it wrong, I take a swig of hot sauce. Yay! Basically what I'm going to do by wrong means I'm going to try to guess what you guys would guess. At the same time, I'd tell you what I'd think in general. So for this one, I personally would press the button, because by saving a lot more lives, if I could save everyone who is having cancer or who could die from cancer, I know what that's like, because I've had someone die of cancer. And if I could save them, or save anyone, I would. So I would press the button, and I really hope you guys would too. So there, 57% agree, 43% disagree. I'm with the majority, so I don't have to take a swig of hot sauce. You can save someone you've never met from being stabbed to death, but you have a 1% chance of dying painlessly. It's kind of like the other one. I'd probably do this because you'd be saving a lot of people. Or, well, not a lot, but you could save somebody. And even if that means I would be the one who could get hurt, I'd still do it, because I want to help people. And let's go with yes, I will press the button. Alright, 64% agree, so we're good. You can have all the woman you want, but you are super fat. I'm going to skip this one, because I don't have a preference on that. You can choose from any power you want, but the person you hate the most will have the same power, but stronger than you. That's basically like Superman and Lord Zed. That just sounds awesome. Like Flash, Zoom, or like Flash. If you don't know, I love Flash. But like, I mean, they could be better, but you're basically living a superhero life. That just sounds awesome. So I'm gonna go with yes. 59% agree. Alright. No! We're good. You can access the internet mentally, but you become paralyzed from the neck down. So you'd be like a mastermind, but you'd be paralyzed. I personally like being able to walk, and I feel really bad for those who are paralyzed, and I really hope that someday we can find a way for them to get better. But I personally, even if I was like extremely smart, I wouldn't want to give up the ability to walk for being the smartest man alive. So I would not. 73% agree. You have the power to heal any wound on other people, no matter how serious, as long as that person is still alive. But your wounds will no longer heal. Well, that would hurt. Also, with me, I get injured a lot. I've had a broken wrist on my right arm, broken wrist on my left arm, stitches in my chin, eyebrow, back of the head, and thumb. A couple concussions. Sports and being dumb does that to you. So my wounds would no longer heal, but I could heal other people. I guess I'll stick with the trend I've been doing, that I want to help people, even if it means sacrificing myself. So, yes, I would. 52% agree. You have the ability to travel back into time to any time in the past, but everyone you know and love will no longer know who you are. No, I really want people to know who I am, so... Not necessarily, like, I don't want people to know who I am, but, like, I want the ones I know and cherish to know who I am, because without them in my life, I wouldn't be who I am today, so... I'm gonna go with no. 61% agree. That hot sauce is really staring me down. I really don't want to have that. I hate hot sauce. Okay. You get all typical vampire abilities, but only weakness. You need to drink fresh blood from an involuntary human being at least 3 times a week to avoid dying. I can handle blood, but I don't think I'd drink it. That would just be completely disgusting. So, I'm gonna go with no. That made me jump for a second. 52% agree. You will never die because of disease, but you can still become ill. But you'll have a mosquito bite on your leg for the rest of your life. Oh, that would be like constantly itchy. I hate mosquito bites. No. Oh no. Oh no. 57% say yes. Tiger sauce. Alright. That even smells bad. Here it goes. And this is why I have milk. It's still in my mouth. That's really hot. Okay. Keep going, keep going. Your children become great and truly enjoyable people who you are proud of, but you have to name them either Ipo, something like that, or Evol. What? For starters, I'd be proud of my children no matter what. And those are interesting names. I personally have a name, or a couple names I'd name children, and those are not one of those. Although Epo and Evol sound pretty sweet, that's not, no. No! 68% agree, 32% disagree. Tiger sauce 2 times in a row. Alright, here it goes. I don't want to do this. Alright, I'm gonna try not to drink the milk this time. Go on, go on. No. You're knighted by the Queen of England, but you must ingest only tea and crumpets, wear a suit, bow tie, top hat, and monocle, and speak in 1800s slang for the rest of your life. It's basically like the olden times. That sounds fun. I'll go with yes. No. Okay, I'm gonna take a drink of milk first, and then I'm gonna go for that. Alright. Here goes nothing. No, why'd I do this? Cheers. That's real bad. That was bad. I literally almost just threw up. That would be some quality things for the channel. Alright. I'll do one more. Alright. You're a master at a musical instrument of your choice, but you're really pretentious about it, and people hate you. I don't want people to hate me, so I'm gonna go with no. Oh, thank God. 62%. Alright, well, I hope everyone liked that video. I hope you liked me suffering. That sucked. Maybe I'll do it again if you guys want me to. But for now, thanks everyone for watching. As always, this is Eagle signing off.